very much, Sabrina. And I'd just like to thank each and every one of you for being here today on behalf of the Fugee team. All of you guys are Fugee friends. And it's amazing standing here today at this amazing Kinokuniya bookstore, probably one of the best bookstores in the country, in KLCC, selling this beautiful book that we've spent the past year putting together. But it's about a group of refugee children who are not really accepted in our country still, who are still considered to be illegal immigrants in our country. And so a message goes out to our government to also talk about the fact that we need to change how we view people who are different to us. Besides the labels and all of that, pushing that aside, how we really value people, and that it's a win-win situation for all of us, and we can all do better together. And so this book, You're In, Not Out, it talks about unity, which is something all of us Malaysians, and I think the whole world needs to kind of put a little bit more emphasis on. But it also talks about inclusivity, in that in our country, all of us together, stateless kids, refugees, any single child, marginalized or otherwise, and all of us need to do a much better job working together, and that it's not at the expense of the other. We're all in this together, and we can all win together. And so in this book, it's really celebrating the heroes of our school. Today, we've educated over 500 children. We currently have about 200 students, and it's their artwork, it's their stories, it's their thoughts, it's their messages, it's their hopes, their dreams. It's very much all about them. And we wanted to showcase that in the most uplifting, inspiring,